Hello and welcome to BusyWorksBeats.com. Today we continue the music theory series right here at BusyWorksBeats.com/music theory. I want to show you a quick technique you can use to make your chords sound instantly better. It's a cool little technique and it sounds a little something like this. So just listen to how I'm playing the chord. Let's switch to a different chord. Let's try another chord. Okay, so let me show you the trick and let me record it so you can see the real timing of the notes. So I'm not sure how. This is a pretty fast BPM. Okay, so what we're doing is combining a grace note into a regular chord triad and then to the suspended second. So that's the theory behind it. So what we're doing is, instead of playing the full chord, D, F, A, which is going to be our D minor triad, instead of playing it full right away, what we're doing is going from that fourth up to the fifth using a grace note. Just two notes that kind of glide into each other. And then we go down to the triad after that, the triad third. And then we transpose the third down to the second. Now you can hold the third if you want, just for tension's sake, because those notes are so close to each other. It creates a little more tension, and suspended second chords are known to create tension. Okay, now we get a more cinematic approach to a chord instead of just a regular. Okay, just add something to it. So again, the technique here is really quick. You do a grace note from your fourth up to your fifth of the regular triad. Okay, then you drop down to your, whatever triad third you are, whether it's minor or major. And then we insert that suspended second. Okay, and we hold the notes if you want a little more tension because they're so close to each other in the scale. So just a quick tip, if you want to learn more about music theory, go to BusyWorksBeats.com/music theory. We have the Music Theory Essentials course package, which compiles Chord Magic, which is all about the chords and EDM and all the jazzy chords. A bunch of chord techniques for you. And Chord Magic and Melody Magic goes over how to create melody from scratch. And then we have Music Theory in a Day, which is the fundamentals of music theory in a day. You have the circle of fifths, circle of fourths, you have relative scales, all that type of stuff, modes. It's all in there for you. So go to BusyWorksBeats.com/music theory. And we're having a current sale where everything is 50% off. All our course packages and all our sound packages. Just enter the code 50 or 50 during checkout and you will get 50% off your course package and sound package. Thanks for watching today. I'll leave a link below. It's BusyWorksBeats.com.